Welcome back. Stop installing DevOps tools one by one. Today, I'll show you how to set up a complete DevOps environment on Windows in just a few commands using the utility called Scoop. Scoop is basically Windows version of Homebrew, super clean, super fast, and perfect for DevOps engineers. It keeps your system tidy, manage versions, and install everything without any messy installers. Why Scoop? And the best part is one command instantly installed, no exes, no installers, no clicking next, finish. The setup is clean, repeatable, and perfect for Kubernetes and cloud learning. First, we will see how to install Scoop on Windows. Then, by using Scoop, we will be installing the utilities like Git, Terraform, Azure CLI, kubectx, kubenes, k9s, and many more. We will go to the browser and we will search scoop.sh. So this is the main page of the Scoop. It is showing us all the commands that we need to run. So we will copy that. And let's open PowerShell Windows. And we will be running this command over here. So in some cases, I see when we don't have the set execution policy set for some users, we do see the issues. But when we run this set execution policy as current user, it will resolve that automatically. So Scoop installed successfully. Let's go and verify. Go to the file explorer, go to the C drive in your users, go to the user, and you will be able to find a folder created which is known as Scoop. So it has main bucket by default, but we can add more buckets like extras afterwards. Now let's go back to the PowerShell and let's run Scoop. We can make sure like if this is installed, and yes, it is. Scoop, first utility we will be installing is Scoop install Git. Now Git is installed. Let's run Azure Scoop install Azure CLI. This will take a few minutes. Let it run. Again, we can make sure if this is getting installed. Let's run AG. Yes, AG is running. So let's clear it up. Let's run Scoop install Terraform, Scoop install a utility that we use for the Kubernetes, that is kubectx. Scoop install k9s, that is again another utility for Kubernetes. And yep, I think we are good. Let's add one more, which is Scoop install Kubernetes. That is the utility that we use in order to switch the Kubernetes namespaces. And few other common utilities that we use day to day are Scoop installed JQ, YQ, Scoop install kubectl, Scoop install Helm. Helm is the utility that we use in order to manage the Helm charts. And Scoop install AWS. So AWS CLI is getting installed. And run Scoop install gcloud. You can always go to the scoop.sh and you can find what are the apps available. So if that app is available, you will be able to find all the commands here as well. Likewise, we can always update the utilities, and anytime we can uninstall as well. You can find all the commands that we use today in the description below. So this way we have prepared our Windows machine with all the utilities that we need for DevOps, or in order to learn more technologies related to DevOps. So I will be creating more content. What is GitHub, how we utilize Terraform, how we create CI/CD pipelines, and how we play around with the Docker and Kubernetes in the real life world. Stay tuned. Thanks.